In this video, I'm going to show you the must-know tools transforming the graphic design landscape this year. From AI-powered game changers to tools streaming your workflow, stick around to supercharge your design process. And we're starting strong with Vectory, a tool that's redefining how we approach 3D design. And here's why it's a must-have. Vectory simplifies 3D design, making it accessible even if you have zero prior experience. So whether you're designing a product mockup, 3D typography, or visualizing concepts, it combines drag and drop ease with professional outputs. And with Vectory, you can start with ready-to-use 3D assets and tweak them to your liking. Also, you can share your 3D projects with team members or clients and make edits together, live. It also lets you export designs directly into augmented reality so clients can actually interact with them in their own environments, which is pretty cool. Now, a good approach with this is to start small, so experiment with like 3D product mockups for portfolios or presentations. You can use the AR features to pitch ideas dynamically. Imagine showcasing a billboard design as an example, where the client can place the design in real-world settings using their phone. Now here's a bonus tip for you to get into. Combine Vectory with tools like Photoshop or Illustrator. So you can export 3D renders into 2D designs for hybrid aesthetics, and that's perfect for web banners, social media graphics, and so on. Next up is Adobe Aero, a tool that's opening up new dimensions in augmented reality, or AR design. And here's why it's worth exploring. Adobe Aero makes AR creation accessible without needing to code. It allows you to turn static designs into interactive experiences, engaging audiences in ways traditional media just simply cannot do. And with Aero, you can easily import files from Photoshop, Illustrator, or After Effects directly into your projects. And from there, you can add interactive triggers like animations, sounds, or transitions to bring your designs to life. What's even better is that sharing is effortless. You can test your AR designs on mobile devices and present them seamlessly to clients. And if you're just starting out, a good way to use Aero is by experimenting with interactive packaging designs. For example, imagine scanning a product box and seeing animations or information appear in AR. And if you work in branding, for example, you can also create AR-enabled logos or marketing materials that do really stand out. And a bonus tip here is to combine Aero with After Effects to design immersive AR storytelling experiences. You could create a product demo where users can interact with animated elements in real spaces, and that will make the presentation far more memorable. They've been saying that for weeks. Writing contracts or sending client documents can be time-consuming and a pain. But Satori Graphics has you covered. Over at logodesignprocess.com, we have a client document pack with 5 high-quality multi-page documents. Head over to logodesignprocess.com and never waste time with the business document side of your workflow ever again. I'm sure you're going to agree that often managing the client feedback is kind of like a bottleneck in the workflow or design process. Zflow and FileStage are here to streamline that process. Both tools allow clients or team members to give precise feedback by annotating directly on design files, things like PDFs, images, or even videos. And of course, as you can imagine, this eliminates the long email chains and vague revision notes, which will save everybody in the process time. Now, Zflow and FileStage stand out with features like real-time commenting, version tracking, which compares changes side by side, and automated workflows that keep projects moving in that right direction. To use these tools effectively, you can upload your design drafts and share them via a secure link. Your clients can then pinpoint specific elements they want adjusted, whether it's text, color schemes, imagery, whatever it is. And the bonus tip I have for you here is to use the built-in approval deadlines feature and this will keep your projects completely on schedule. And for even better efficiency, integrate Zflow or FileStage with tools like Stack to get instant notifications when feedback is added. Now, if you're looking for flexible or free alternatives to Figma, then Penpot might just be that thing. Here's why it's gaining traction. Penpot is a UI UX design platform that's open source, meaning it's customizable and budget friendly. Whether you're designing wireframes, mockups, or entire user interfaces, Penpot delivers professional-grade tools for the job. Its standout features include cross-platform accessibility, which you can use in any browser, the ability to share design systems across teams, and open-source customization for unique needs. And for small teams and freelancers, Penpot is an excellent solution for collaborating on projects without subscription costs. And you can start with templates or create your own design systems to maintain consistency across every single project you work on. The bonus tip here is to explore the community's library of plugins and pre-made templates to accelerate your workflow while delivering polished professional results. You will not be disappointed. Now, it's no secret that AI is transforming the graphic design process, and Runway ML is actually paving the way in some sectors. This tool empowers designers to take advantage of AI in video editing, motion graphics, and even generating new design elements. Runway ML can help you remove backgrounds from images or videos instantly. It can apply artistic styles to your visuals, or even create text-to-video content with ease. It is really perfect for designers out there who are trying to integrate motion into their work without spending hours on manual edits. And to use this effectively, start with quick wins like automating background removal for social media assets or product images. Then you can explore things like the motion graphic tools and add subtle animations to videos or presentations. It's all about getting used to the software first and foremost. And the bonus tip I have for you with this one is to use the style transfer feature to generate custom aesthetics. For instance, you might take a flat design and then add some texture to it for, say, maybe a branding project or whatever. Now, as we know, Figma remains an industry favorite for UI and UX design, and its latest updates in 2025 make it even more indispensable. Figma's standout features include AI-powered layout suggestions that speed up prototyping, enhanced libraries for better team collaboration, and plugins like Figmotion for motion design directly within the tool itself. And if you're someone who's already familiar with Figma, try experimenting with the AI layout feature to iterate multiple wireframe ideas quickly. And for presentations or prototypes, Figmotion can actually add animations that make your designs feel more dynamic and more professional. And a bonus tip. The bonus tip for Figma 2025 is to use Figma's centralized design systems to maintain consistency across your projects. By keeping colors, typography, and components organized, you'll save time and ensure a polished look for every single deliverable. So now you know some of the great tools to be using in 2025 and beyond, it's time to actually learn some new skills so you can level up your designs and work with these tools. Just click that video on screen to continue your education, but until next time, design your future today. Peace.